Good morning, students. Today we will do chapter 14 Symmetry. Say introduction. Symmetry is an important geometrical concept commonly exhibited in nature and is used almost in every field of activity. Artists, professionals, designers of clothing or jewelry, car manufacturers, architects, and many other make use of idea of symmetry. The behaves of flower, the tree leaves, religious symbols, rugs, and handkerchiefs. Everywhere you find symmetrical designs. A figure has a line symmetry. If there is a line about which the figure may be folded so that the two parts of the figure will coincide. See this building, if you draw a vertical line, the building will be divided into two equal parts. See this car, if we draw a vertical line, then the car is divided into two equal parts. This is the line of symmetry. This is the tortoise. If you draw a horizontal line, then the tortoise is divided into two equal parts. So this is the line of symmetry. Let us now strengthen our idea on symmetry further. Study the following figures in which the line of symmetry are marked with dotted lines. See T. The vertical line is a line of symmetry. Second figure. Here draw this dotted line. This is the line of symmetry. Then M. Draw a vertical line. This is the line of symmetry. This arrow. Draw a horizontal line. This is the line of symmetry. Now, lines of symmetry for regular polygons. A polygon is said to be regular if all its sides are of equal length and all its angles are of equal measure. An equilateral triangle is a regular because each of its sides has same length and each of its angles measure 60 degree. See, this is an equilateral triangle. Why it is regular polygon? Because all its sides, that is this side and this side, all the sides are equal, that is of length A, and all the angles are equal, that is of 60 degree. Now this is a square. So a square is also a regular because all its sides are of equal length and each of its angles is a right angle. Its diagonals are seen to be perpendicular bisector of one another. See this figure? This is a square. Why it is regular polygon? Because all its sides are equal. All the four sides are equal. And corner angle is of 90 degree. That is this angle, this angle, this angle, and this angle. It is of 90 degree. And its diagonal of square is perpendicular bisector to each other. That is the diagonals, that is this diagonal and this diagonal, they are perpendicular to each other, that is they makes an angle of 90 degree here, and they bisect each other, that is this part it is equivalent to this part it is equivalent to this part. If a pentagon is a regular, naturally its sides should have equal length. You will later on learn that measure of each of its angle is 108 degree. A regular hexagon has all its sides equal and each of its angle measures 120 degree. We will learn more of these figures later. See figure 14.5. See here. First figure is a pentagon. Here all its sides are equal. That is, it has 5 sides and they are equal. And each corner angle, it is 108 degree. In hexagon, there are 6 sides and all the 6 sides are equal. That is, this side, this side, this side, this side, this side, and this side, they are equal, and each angle is of 120 degree. Therefore, it is a regular hexagon. Now, each regular polygon has many lines of symmetry as it has sides. See figure 14.6. We say they have multiple lines of symmetry. See, first one is equilateral triangle. Here, how many symmetries are there? Line of symmetry. There are 3 lines of symmetries. That is, this is first, second, and third. These are lines of symmetry. Now, second figure is square. In a square, how many lines of symmetry are there? There are 4 lines of symmetry. That is 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are 4 lines of symmetry. Now third figure is regular pentagon. How many lines of symmetry are there? There are 5 lines of symmetry. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now fourth figure is regular hexagon. How many lines of symmetry are there? There are 6 lines of symmetry. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are 6 lines of symmetry. So always remember, equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. Square has 4 lines of symmetry. Regular pentagon has 5 lines of symmetry. And regular hexagon has 6 lines of symmetry. Now play this punching game. Here, and first fold a sheet into 2 halves. Then punch a hole as shown in the figure. Then open it 2 holes about the symmetry fold. You will see that this is the line of symmetry and these 2 holes are at equal distance. Therefore, we can draw this line of symmetry. The fold is a line or axis of symmetry. Line or axis of symmetry, both are same. Study about the punches at different locations on the folded paper and the corresponding line of symmetry.